Here at Rust-Oleum, our roof restoration process is broken down into 4 different segments: cleaning, priming, reinforcing, and coating. Every step is important in the long-term performance of the roofing system. We're here to ensure that you get the best quality performance that the market can offer. The first step of every roof restoration project requires cleaning. Removing all loose dirt and debris will ensure adequate adhesion to the roof surface. Next, the roof needs to be primed. Priming will ensure top-coat adhesion and performance. The third step is reinforcing. This strengthens and waterproofs the seams on the roof to avoid cracking, which could lead to leaks in the roof system. The last step in completing a restoration is the top coat, which protects the roofing system from further deterioration and extends the life of the roof. In addition, coating roofs will also offer building energy efficiency. Buildings can see anywhere from 10 to 15% energy savings from converting a black to white coated roof system. If you want to convert your roof from this to this, we're here to help. Reach out to the roofing experts at Rust-Oleum. Roofing at Rust-Oleum.com.